Time is changing all around you, literally. Earth has just drifted into a strange part of space where time speeds up. Not a little bit, a lot. Suddenly your clocks are lying to you. Your heartbeat is different. Your entire life is moving faster than the rest of the universe. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not exactly. Because scientists already know that time can stretch or shrink depending on where you are in the cosmos. And if Earth ever wandered into one of these strange regions, everything you know about life would change instantly. So, what would really happen if Earth entered a region of space where time runs faster? What would you feel? What would you see? And would humanity even survive this jump into a quick time zone of the universe? Let us go back a bit, not thousands of years, not millions. We need to go back to the beginning of space-time itself. Before this weird cosmic event hits Earth, you need to understand why time can be different in different places. It all begins with one person you already know, Albert Einstein. He showed that time is not a fixed thing. It bends and stretches depending on gravity and speed. In simple words, strong gravity slows time. Weak gravity lets time run faster. This is why astronauts on the International Space Station age a tiny bit slower than you. Not enough for a movie plot, but enough for scientists to measure. So if gravity can slow time, what can speed it up? The answer is low gravity. Empty regions of space, cosmic voids. These are giant stretches of nothingness with less matter and less gravitational pull. Inside a void, time literally runs faster than inside a galaxy or near a star. Now imagine Earth drifting into one of these regions. Not a small one. A massive cosmic bubble where time ticks faster than anywhere we have ever been. That is where our story begins. At first, nothing seems strange. The sky looks the same, the ground feels the same, your morning coffee tastes the same. But within hours, scientists pick up something odd. Satellites are aging faster than they should. Atomic clocks, the most accurate timekeepers ever made, no longer agree with each other. And that is when the world discovers the truth. Earth has entered a region of space where time is flowing at a new speed. Now here's where things get wild. From our point of view on Earth, time feels normal. But from the outside, from the rest of the universe, Earth is now moving in fast forward. Imagine you watching a video at double speed. That is Earth now. So, what would you feel? Surprisingly, not much at the beginning. Your heartbeat stays steady. Your breathing feels normal. Life continues like usual. The trick here is that every biological process around you has also sped up at the exact same rate. Plants grow faster, but you grow faster too. Your cells divide faster, your hair grows faster. But from the outside universe, humans on Earth are aging more quickly than everyone else. Let us say 1 year passes on Earth. Outside this region, only 6 months pass. That means you are aging twice as fast compared to a person far away in normal space. This gets even stranger. When Earth sends a message to a spacecraft outside this fast time bubble, the message is stretched. The spacecraft hears your message come in faster than normal. Your 1 second of speech might sound like half a second. Then the spacecraft replies. But when you get their response, it sounds slow. Very slow, like someone speaking underwater. Every message from outside now feels delayed, even though the distance has not changed. This moment marks the beginning of the communication crisis. Businesses notice something strange. Global stock markets move twice as fast. Elections come quicker. Sports seasons finish before fans can catch up. News cycles become so rapid that yesterday feels like last year. And babies, well, they grow fast. A child who is 3 years old might feel 7 to someone watching from outside this region. Even plants and animals complete their life cycles faster than expected. Earth has become a living fast-forward button. Now, here is where things become dangerous. Deep inside this cosmic region, gravitational force becomes even weaker. The deeper Earth drifts, the faster time flows. Soon, scientists realize something frightening. If Earth keeps traveling into this void, time might increase to 3 times or 4 times normal speed. That means 1 year on Earth equals only 3 months outside. A person who should live 75 years now experiences an entire lifetime in 25 outside years. Humanity is burning through centuries like pages in a book, and there is nothing we can do to slow it down. People begin to worry. What happens to satellites? To space missions? To physics itself? Satellites start drifting off schedule. Their orbits remain stable, but their internal clocks become useless. GPS systems start giving wrong positions. Airplanes lose guidance, shipping routes collapse. Every piece of technology that depends on precise timing begins to break down. Even worse, nuclear reactors rely on timing chains. These chains are now moving too fast. Power grids become unstable. Lights flicker. This is the moment governments around the world realize Earth's time zone shift is not just science. It is a global emergency. Let us step away for a second. You might think this cannot get any stranger, but it can. Because time does not just control clocks, it controls everything. Movement, energy, life. Decay everything around you depends on time flowing at a certain pace, and when that pace changes, the entire world bends with it. So now that your brain has a minute to breathe, let us dive into the next part of this problem. As Earth stays inside the fast time zone, the sun does not follow at the same pace. To us on Earth, the sun looks normal, rising and setting like always. But from outside, the sun appears to move slowly compared to us. This creates a serious problem. Earth's orbit is now aging faster than the sun, meaning Earth is experiencing the sun's life cycle quicker than it should. In a few hundred Earth years inside this bubble, the sun has only aged a few decades outside. To us, it would look like the sun is not changing at all. But the universe would see Earth racing through centuries while the sun barely moves. If Earth stays inside long enough, we might reach a point where Earth ages to the end of its habitable period, while the sun still has billions of years left. Time itself is tearing our future apart. Here is the worst part. Any spacecraft leaving Earth will suddenly slow down relative to us. From Earth's perspective, astronauts moving into normal space appear frozen. Their signals arrive slowly, their actions look delayed. A simple 10-minute message could take hours from our point of view. This makes space travel nearly impossible. Missions become uncoordinated. Landers miss their targets. Return capsules appear motionless. Earth becomes trapped in its own pocket of time. Now, let us come back to you. Something unexpected begins to happen inside your body. Your metabolism speeds up. Your cells replace themselves faster. Animals struggle too. Migration cycles fail. Breeding seasons collapse. Insects multiply too fast and overwhelm ecosystems. Earth is not just moving faster in time. Nature itself is transforming. After several decades, scientists discover the center of this vast region. A place where gravity is so weak that time runs 5 or even 6 times faster than normal. If Earth drifts too close, centuries will pass on Earth while only decades pass outside. Humanity is now aging out of sync with the universe. Civilizations rise and fall while the rest of the cosmos barely notices. Technology moves too fast for history to record. Buildings decay quicker, food spoils faster, machines wear out quicker. Even language evolves so rapidly that people born 20 years apart speak differently. Earth becomes a blur, a fast world in a slow universe. There is only one hope: change Earth's direction. Our planet is always moving through space. If we can use gravitational assist from nearby stars or dark matter structures, Earth might drift out of the fast bubble naturally. But that could take centuries. And with time running fast, Earth might experience those centuries in a few decades. It becomes a race between physics and survival. If Earth eventually escapes this strange bubble, something strange happens. Time snaps back to its normal pace. But humanity does not. We re-enter the universe aged, changed, and ahead by hundreds of Earth years. Civilizations outside see us as ancient or advanced or both. Messages that took hours now arrive instantly. Space travel becomes possible again, but our lost time can never be returned. Earth has lived the future while the rest of the universe stayed still. So what happens if Earth enters a region of space where time runs faster? Everything changes. Life speeds up, technology breaks, communication collapses, biology suffers, history races forward, and the universe watches a fast-moving Earth spin into an uncertain future. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next what-if style adventure, and tell us in the comments what other strange space ideas should we explore next. Because in a universe filled with mysteries, there is always another question waiting for us.